Contest. A competition or struggle. She won the art contest. They entered a cooking contest. The contest was very intense. He prepared for the singing contest. The contest had many participants.